is ready! It's cramped here. Move over! I don't like it. Looks like it's Hubba Bubba time!
No, chocolate will save the day here.
Wow!
Cool!
These houses are huge! Much better.
Oh yeah.
We can celebrate with a treat!
Mmm. Huh?
Wow, it's so stretchy! I think I have an idea! I'm gonna need more Hubba Bubba. Turned out great, right?
Time to melt some chocolate. Let's crush it up in here and light a candle. And now let's take marshmallows on a stick and dip them in chocolate. Mmm.
Oh, this looks so delicious! I think I'll take some too. Let's try it. Oh, yeah.
Alright, that's enough. Time to work on the roof. There we go, beautiful! And now let's paint the rest of it. We need a solid chocolate coating. Wow! Much better!
Now let's blow a bubble. And stick it right here. Let's add a few more. Wow! That looks so cool! I hope she likes it. So, what do you think of the roofs? I totally love it.
Me too. Shall we furnish the first room?
What does it say? Candy shop? Awesome! Yay!
Let's hang the sign here and put the fridge inside. Now let's add a shelf. And start adding different sweets.
Oh yeah! Yummy!
Let's also add a table. And a few more matching decor pieces. There we go! It needs to have a sweet vibe. This table will be the counter. Let's add a cash register, a basket, and interior curtains. And that's it! Done! Awesome! Wanna come in?
Sure! I'll be the shopkeeper.
Wow, a candy shop. Sell me some Hubba Bubba, please.
Here you go.
Awesome. Give me some more candy.
Sure.
Mmm, yummy. Give me more.
Okay.
Maybe you shouldn't eat so much. Man, I didn't want to resort to this. What are you doing? Oh! Yummy!
That should hold her over.
I'm full. Let's start decorating the garage. Let's park the car. And also add a bike. Now let's set up a shelf and put a couple of nuts and bolts on it. Let's also lay down a rug. Tasty. Let's use this Oreo cookie as a base for the plant. A couple of decorative pieces, and we're done. Hey, check out the new garage.
No way! What a cool car! Let's see. Looks like there's an extra piece here. Take it.
Gladly.
Yummy!
The ground floors are ready.
Oh, you okay? I'm tired.
I think I have something for you. Let's also add a rug. So soft. Let's lay a mattress with pillows on top and leave a couple of treats. Awesome! Now let's take the bubble gums. Mmm, yummy. Let's use them as a blanket. Put it back here. And also hang some curtains. Alright! Looks like the bedroom's ready. Hey, wanna check it out?
Just in time. Wow, what a cute couch. And the whole room looks amazing. Yay!
I'm so glad you like it!
Ahem. Don't I get my own room?
Sure. Let's put some chocolate pillows on your couch. Let's add a rug. And also set up an Oreo table and put something to read on it. Now let's hang a chandelier and add some decorative foil balloons. curtains. Let's set up a table, put a tablecloth on, and hang the curtains.
Hey! I want chocolate too!
Alright, here you go.
Thank you! Wow, this place is amazing! And the couch is so comfy!
Finally, now I can eat. Oh, the top floor looks a bit empty. I think I know what to do. Let's put a bathtub here and fill it with this. There we go! Perfect! Now let's set up a mirror like this. And line up different cosmetics. Let's add a chair for comfort. Now let's lay down a rug and add curtains. Beautiful! Just need to place this chair. There we go. And let's also add this plant. Let's put it right here. Aw, it turned out to be a total dream bathroom.
Oh my gosh, I have to try it out right now! But first, I need a change.
Okay. Wow!
I'm ready for my bath!
Whoa! Enjoy!
Oh yeah, this is so nice.
Wow, bubbles! So fun! Oh, cool.
Excuse me, but can we fill this space with something?
You're right. I'll take care of it. First, let's set up this stage here. Now let's hang some curtains. And also add this disco ball. Let's put a piano here and add a stool to it, just like that. Time for the chocolate boombox. I won't eat it. Let's play some music on it instead. Oh yeah. Let's liven this place up a bit. Now let's put a table here and add something to snack on. Let's lay down a small rug. Perfect. And finish it off with this beach chair. There we go. Now the music room is ready. Hey, are you ready for the concert?
I sure am! 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh yeah, sounds awesome! Time to add some fun to this house! Let's place this jar of Skittles here! Also, for maximum fun, we're gonna need a slide. Perfect! Now let's release the Skittles! Hey! Look at this!
Woohoo!
Not bad. Whoa! What's happening? Whoa. What's that? Wow, it's a chocolate slide! Awesome! Time to use the Kinder Surprises. Let's make a pool out of them. Just like that. Wanna try it?
Amazing!
Phew. I think it's safe to say we're done.
I love this house. This chocolate style totally suits me.
Wow! I hope my house turned out great too.
Are you kidding? Look at this bubblegum palace! I love it!
Yeah! We are the best!
Let's have some fun!
Look at them have a pillow fight! Girls, your order is here. You need to pay for it. I've got this. Oops. I have some money. Don't worry, I'll handle it. Well, let's see what they brought us.